Alright, what's up, y'all? It's your boy LSR254. As you can see, the temperature 68 degrees inside the house, 73 degrees outside. But the temperature outside is like 43. 40, yeah, 40. I'm gonna show it right there. You know, check your Palm Pilot. Low is 45 today. And we definitely there. But in the garage, a little bit better. One of the benefits. So we back again. I was looking at some stuff, and I figured, man, while I was here, why not? Since I'm gonna have to get in here and clean up all these wires and all this stuff anyway. And I was looking at where I noticed that my ball joints need to be replaced. And honestly, that can't be nobody like favorite task. I mean, so what I was gonna do was go ahead and change out the control arm. Control arms on both sides. Just replace the control arm versus fighting with them damn, cause you know we've done it the other way before, where we grind it down. We grind these down and knock out the ball joint and all that, and that's all cool, fun, and dandy. But, oh yeah, shit, I think I forgot something. But if you could just replace the control arm altogether, then you don't have to worry about that. The new ones are not riveted in, they bolted in, so it makes future installation easier. I have noticed a little bit of creaking sometime when we hit that driveway and we coming on up. So I'm finna find there you go, my WD-40, and we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna prep. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna prep for this. So come down there. Well, on the inside you can't really get to it, but you just start kind of trying to spray that on there so that we get, hold on, turn this fan off. Yeah. So try to spray down off in there, and we can go ahead and get that done through the control arm. And actually, when we get the control arm off, that might give us very, very, very good access to get to that steering box. So I don't know if I'm gonna fool with that, but I guess might as well, right? So we're gonna spray that down there, let it kind of saturate, moisturize, penetrate, and go from there. So if anybody knows, then turn these wrenches, man, they know, because as far as I know, a control arm is much easier than fooling with a damn fooling with that ball joint. But you know, potato, tomato, it might be easy for whatever. But like I said, the car 36 years old, might as well go ahead and do it. Boys be wanting to charge X amount of dollars for their old schools and be having the original control arms and bushings and all that. Don't never touch the suspension, steering, brakes, none of that. So this one gonna get it. You know what I mean? So this one gonna get it. So I'm gonna let that penetrate. I'm gonna go play some Call of Duty, and then I'll be back later. And yeah. All right, so back with the Cutlass. Show you where we at. Ew. That thing tore apart. So we got the old upper control arm, as you can see there. Yeah. You can see in there, bushes is all messed up. And we got the new. I almost messed up. Well, no, I did mess up. I did not get these bump stops for the new one, but because I had already bought, so I started thinking, I looked in the trunk of the Caprice, and it's the same part. So one monkey ain't gonna stop no show tonight. I just have to remember to order another set for the Caprice. So it's a pull-through style. I was gonna see if I could pull that one out of there, but I mean, honestly, it's not. It ain't even worth trying to get it out. So pull the new ones in, be good to go there. And so I got the shim split up. So the ones that was in the front is over there, and then all the ones that was on the back is over here. So it should be simple installation, reverse of disassembly. You need. So let me get back busy and go from there. All right, so driver side complete. Ooh, man. Ooh. To the passenger side, which should go a whole lot smoother, quicker, all that good stuff, because, you know, experience on the other side. So all right, so over on this side, old control arm off. You can see this one was kind of ate up right there. Back shims, front shims, very important. Very important. Have them shims right. So front shim, back shims, new control arm, fresh out the box. Fresh out the box. So we're gonna get this one, get our Zerk fitting put in, and get it ready to install. We'll go ahead and install it, then we'll cut you back on. All right, it's about 12 o'clock in the morning. We almost finished though. Just gotta bust down this, just finished busting down this other sway bar link. Gonna pop the new one in. Heavy duty versus the regular ones. We got control arms on. Everything tightened back up. So yeah, that's where we at. Final steps. Yeah, All right, so I'm just gonna wrap this one up. Everything is installed. Here go all the old parts. I think I got it. Like one more cotter pin I gotta put in there, but I gotta find that bit. But upper control arms installed. In and out of tie rod, center link, idler arm, sway bar links. The whole shebang, new. When you see the blue, you know it's new. So when we put this thing on the ground, go drive, this thing should drive like a totally different car.